like to start out with, I like have like a thick type pasta or soup or stew or chili. I will line my dehydrator with a little bit of aluminum foil. Cutting out holes to allow air to flow through. And I will spoon out my pasta. It already has sauce, cheese, all the spices that I like, so that when I dehydrate it and then rehydrate it, it'll taste as close to what it tastes like before I dehydrate it. I try to space it out so that it helps promote drying. Trying to leave some space between the pieces. Getting as much of the sauce and spices in there as possible. Different dehydrators are different as far as the height goes. These trays aren't really the tallest trays, so I try to squish it down a little bit to make room for additional trays. When this is done, my pasta should come out looking like this. This is spaghetti that I dehydrated a few weeks ago. I'll do a video again in the future showing what I do when I rehydrate. So today I am also doing some apples. I like to cut my apples up, not too thick, but I soak them in a little bit of lime juice, anything citrus, so that they don't brown. And since I'm doing multiple foods, I don't want to cross-contaminate the flavors, so I'm going to layer these up, layer up the shells, and also try to prevent any dripping onto the pasta. You don't want any kind of citrus on your pasta unless that's the way you like it. Taking careful to make sure that there's plenty of room between the pieces on the trays so that the air can flow through and reach each and every piece. This was about 4 apples. So 4 apples along with some pasta in my dehydrator. I'll put the top on. And I'll let this dehydrate overnight. I started out with 12 hours, and I'll come back after that and check on it. Maybe moving the apple pieces around, maybe rotating around just a little bit to get more airflow. This is a very simple dehydrator. There isn't any on or off switch. It's just a simple plug and play. Okay, so it's been a little bit over 12 hours. I just turned it off. It's going to be a little warm. So first I'm going to check my apples. Some of the bigger pieces look like they could stay in there longer. Some of the smaller ones I'll go ahead and take out. I'll go through all these. Pull out the smaller pieces. Leave the big ones in there. These look good. They'll taste good on the trail. These could use a little bit more. We'll get down to the pasta. Now, and then I did look at the pasta earlier. Like halfway through, it looked like it was getting a little too dry. So to give it some more flavor, when I rehydrate, I added some more sauce to it in the middle. So that looks like it's done. Let that cool off, package it up. So now, go ahead and put all these back on here that need a little bit more drying time. Just enough for one layer.